Alright, so it starts to snow this morning. I guess about 8:30 and then 8 o'clock maybe. Then by 10 o'clock they sent us home. And I don't think you can see the rate that the snow is falling, but it's a really small flake, almost icy. You can probably hear it like tapping. But this is continuing snow. It's 5:15 right now, 5:18, and it's been falling like this all day long. This is crazy. Had to clear a little path for our stupid dogs. They wouldn't know what to do, so they'd just sit in the house looking at the open door. This is crazy. We never get snow like this. And Catherine, I was gonna make you a snowman, but it's like flour or powdered sugar. Try to make a snowball, and it just falls right apart. So, sorry. Pretty crazy.